Hello everyone, I'm Anneka and today we are going to be learning the basics of the flute. How to put it together, how to hold it, how to tune it, and the basic notes. So first of all, how to put it together. So you will take it out of your case. It will look like this. You take the longest piece, which is called the body, and then you take the head joint, which looks like this, and put it in to the top of the body. You don't want to push it in all the way, and then you line the whole of the mouthpiece up to this key right here. You can either do it by looking at it with one eye, or by moving your finger down straight and lining it up. It'll get easier. And then you take the other piece, which looks like this, and that is the base of your flute. Now you want to take this key right here and line the middle of that up to this rod right here. Push that in, and now it's lined up, and now you have your flute. Now that you have your flute all set together, how do you hold your flute? So you will take your left hand, put it on these fingers, so put your thumb here, your index finger here, not on this key, on this one. You skip this key, finger, finger, and pinky, skip these two, put your index, middle, ring finger, and your pinky on this key that you lined up here. And then you hold it out to the right, and you make sure you can see your pinky. And that is how you hold your flute. Now that you've put your flute together and you learned how to hold it, how do you tune it? So you will want to get either an app off of the App Store or a tuner off of Amazon. I have a TE tuner, which was about $2, and for this app, it shows red up top, and that means your flute is sharp. If it shows red on the bottom, that means your flute is flat. And now, what notes do you tune it in? So you will want to tune your flute in A, with this, this, and this. That is how you finger A, and that's it. But your band will tune the whole band in B flat, because that is the best note for the entire band. So you will rarely ever tune your flute in A, even though that is technically the best note to tune your flute in. So you will tune your flute in B flat, which is this thumb, this finger, and this index finger right here. And then you look at your tuner. I'm really sharp, so I will pull out of the head joint out just a little bit. You want to do it a little bit by little bit so that you don't overdo it. Then you look again. I'm a little bit flat, so I pulled out too much. So gotta push it in. So when you're flat, you push it in a little bit. Now I check again. And I'm in tune. And that is how you tune your flute. So you learned how to tune your flute, you learned how to hold your flute, and how to put it together. And lastly, the basic notes. So I taught you B flat, and I taught you A. There are tons of other notes, trust me. But it's really easy once you get the hang of it. They will just come naturally. So you have C, which is one of the easiest notes. It is just your index finger. That's it. No other hands. And you play C. B, and then there's B and B flat. B is just this right here and your index finger. So it's C plus this. And then B flat. And then there's A that I taught you. And then there's G, which is A plus your ring finger, or higher. And then these are the basic notes. These are not all of the notes. You have F, which is G plus your ring finger. which is F plus your middle finger. Sometimes that will happen even after you get really good at the flute. You'll still have bobbles here and there. And then D, which is not just adding another finger. You add this finger, and then you get rid of this. And that's D. And those are the basic fingerings for your flute.